I like the Airbnb rental business because it pays me a lot of money every single month. Hey, but that's not the only reason. It gives me the freedom and the lifestyle that I want. It pays for a lot of things that originally would have cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars to do. It just works, okay? And people love Airbnb, and they do not want to go to hotels, and they don't want to be invaded by somebody who has a bad attitude and bad customer service. They want to live life on their terms. And I like that idea. I like that people want to live life on their terms, and why not me contribute to that by having a space that they can stay in temporarily and absolutely enjoy themselves. And in turn, I get money from it, and it pays me every single time a guest checks in. Okay, so that's really the biggest thing, is it makes me a lot of money. I get paid once a guest checks in. It gives me the financial freedom and to live life on my terms, and I have people that want to stay there temporarily who want to live life on their terms, check in when they want to, and leave at a desired time, okay? So it's one of the best businesses that you